Unraveling the phrase, wired up. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting English phrase that you might hear in day-to-day conversations. Wired up. Let's explore its meanings and how to use it. The phrase, wired up, contains two words, wired and up. Literally, to be wired means to be connected by wires, often referring to electrical or electronic connections. However, in English, words and phrases can often have meanings that are more than just their literal definitions. When someone says they are wired up, they aren't talking about being connected with wires. Instead, this phrase is often used to describe someone who is very excited, nervous, or anxious about something. It can also imply that someone is energetic or restless. Think of it like an electrical device that's been charged. It's buzzing with energy. For example, I'm all wired up about the big game tonight, meaning excited. She was wired up before her speech, meaning nervous. To really get a hang of it, let's see it in action in some sentences. 1. After drinking 3 cups of coffee, Jake was completely wired up. 2. The kids were so wired up after the theme park. They couldn't sleep. 3. Why are you so wired up? Is there something you're worried about? Understanding phrases like wired up can truly elevate your conversational skills in English. Remember, languages are alive and full of energy, just like a person who's wired up. We hope this video helped clarify this phrase for you. Stay curious and keep learning.